This audio is presented by Hacker Noon, where anyone can learn anything about any technology. Web3 Developer Roadmap, a comprehensive guide for building decentralized applications. By Hassan Yildiz. The world of blockchain technology and decentralized applications, DApps, is rapidly expanding, and Web3 development is at the forefront of this growth. Web3 developers are responsible for building decentralized applications that run on blockchain platforms, and it's a highly in-demand skill set. In this guide, we'll provide a comprehensive roadmap for becoming a Web3 developer, covering everything from understanding the basics of blockchain technology to building and deploying decentralized applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer looking to expand your skill set, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in the Web3 ecosystem. Understanding the basics of blockchain technology. Understanding the basics of blockchain technology and its underlying principles is the foundation of becoming a Web3 developer. Blockchain technology is a decentralized system that allows for the storage and transfer of digital assets without the need for a central authority. It achieves this through the use of distributed ledger technology, where each participant in the network has a copy of the ledger. The concept of decentralization is key to understanding blockchain technology. In a decentralized system, there is no central point of control or authority, and instead, the network is governed by its participants. This decentralization provides several benefits, such as increased security and transparency, and reduced costs. Another important principle of blockchain technology is immutability, which means that once data is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This ensures that the data on the blockchain is tamper-proof and can be trusted. Consensus mechanisms are the protocols that are used to ensure that all participants in the network agree on the state of the ledger. There are several types of consensus mechanisms, such as proof of work, POW, and proof of stake, POS, and each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Understanding these mechanisms is crucial for understanding how blockchain technology works and how to build decentralized applications on top of it. Familiarizing oneself with the different blockchain platforms. Familiarizing oneself with the different blockchain platforms and their use cases is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer. There are several blockchain platforms available, each with its own unique features and use cases. Some of the most popular platforms used in Web3 development are Ethereum, EOS, Lisk, Alio, and Neo. Ethereum is the most widely used platform for building decentralized applications. It provides a powerful platform for building smart contracts and dApps and has a large developer community. EOS is another popular platform that is known for its high throughput and scalability. It's commonly used for building high-performance decentralized applications, such as games and social networks. Lisk is a blockchain platform that is focused on making it easy for developers to build and deploy their own blockchain applications. It uses JavaScript as its programming language, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. Alio is a blockchain platform that is focused on privacy and scalability. It's commonly used for building decentralized applications that require high levels of privacy and security. Neo is another platform that is commonly used for building decentralized applications. It's known for its high throughput and scalability, and is often compared to Ethereum. It's important to understand the features and use cases of each platform, as this will help you to choose the right platform for your specific project. Learning Solidity programming language. Learning Solidity programming language is an essential step in becoming a Web3 developer, as it is the primary programming language used to build smart contracts on the Ethereum platform. Solidity is a contract-oriented, high-level programming language that is similar to JavaScript and is used to write smart contracts that run on the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM. To learn Solidity, one can start by reading the Solidity documentation and tutorials on the Ethereum website, and then move on to more advanced topics, such as contract patterns and best practices. There are also many online resources, such as tutorials, videos, and forums, that can help with learning Solidity. Furthermore, there are many Solidity development tools, such as Remix, Truffle, and Ganache, that can be used for testing and debugging smart contracts. It is important to note that Solidity is a relatively new language, and its syntax and features are still evolving. Therefore, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest developments and best practices for writing smart contracts. Once you have a good understanding of Solidity, you'll be able to write smart contracts that are secure, efficient, and easy to understand. This will allow you to build decentralized applications that run on the Ethereum platform with confidence. Understanding smart contract development and deployment. Understanding smart contract development and deployment is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into code. They are deployed on the blockchain and can be used to automate various processes, such as payments, voting, and asset management. There are several types of smart contracts, each with its own unique features and use cases. For example, ERC-20 is a popular standard for creating tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, while ERC-721 is a standard for creating unique, non-fungible tokens. Deploying smart contracts on the blockchain can be a complex process, as it involves deploying the code to the blockchain and making sure that it is secure and can be accessed by other users. This process includes testing the smart contract, debugging it, and making sure that it is secure and efficient. Best practices for security and testing are crucial for ensuring that smart contracts are secure and efficient. This includes using automated testing tools, such as Truffle and Ganache, to test smart contracts and ensure that they are functioning as intended. It also includes performing manual testing, such as code reviews, to identify potential security vulnerabilities. By understanding the different types of smart contracts, the process of deploying them on the blockchain, and best practices for security and testing, you'll be able to develop and deploy smart contracts that are secure, efficient, and easy to understand. This will allow you to build decentralized applications that are reliable and trustworthy. Getting familiar with Web3 libraries and frameworks. Getting familiar with Web3 libraries and frameworks is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer, as they provide a way to interact with the blockchain and deploy smart contracts. Web3.js is a JavaScript library that allows developers to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It provides an easy-to-use API that allows developers to send transactions, read data from the blockchain, and interact with smart contracts. Truffle is a development framework that is commonly used for building decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. It provides a suite of tools for testing, debugging, and deploying smart contracts, as well as a development environment for building DApps. Both libraries and frameworks are widely used by developers in the Web3 ecosystem, and they provide a great starting point for getting familiar with the basics of Web3 development. By getting familiar with Web3 libraries and frameworks, you'll be able to interact with the blockchain and deploy smart contracts with ease. This will allow you to build decentralized applications that are reliable, efficient, and easy to use. Learn Remix, Truffle, and Ganache. Familiarizing oneself with the different tools and platforms for testing and debugging smart contracts is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer, as they provide a way to test and debug smart contracts before they are deployed on the blockchain. Remix is an integrated development environment, IDE, that is commonly used for writing, testing, and debugging smart contracts. It provides an easy-to-use interface for writing and testing smart contracts and allows developers to test their code in a simulated environment before deploying it on the blockchain. Truffle is a development framework that is commonly used for building decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. It provides a suite of tools for testing, debugging, and deploying smart contracts, as well as a development environment for building DApps. Ganache is a personal blockchain for Ethereum development that allows developers to test and debug smart contracts in a simulated environment. It provides a local blockchain that simulates the Ethereum network, allowing developers to test their code without the need for real ether. By familiarizing oneself with the different tools and platforms for testing and debugging smart contracts, you'll be able to identify and fix any issues with your code before deploying it on the blockchain. This will allow you to build decentralized applications that are secure, efficient, and easy to use. Understanding the concept of decentralized applications, DApps. Understanding the concept of decentralized applications, DApps, is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer, as they are the primary use case for blockchain technology. A DApp is an application that runs on a decentralized network, such as a blockchain, and is not controlled by a single entity. There are several types of dApps, each with its own unique features and use cases. For example, decentralized finance, DeFi, DApps are used for financial services such as lending, borrowing, and trading. Decentralized marketplaces, where buyers and sellers can connect and trade goods and services, are another type of dApps. Decentralized social networks and gaming DApps are also gaining popularity. Building and deploying DApps on the blockchain requires a good understanding of smart contract development and deployment, Web3 libraries and frameworks, and the-specific blockchain platform that the DApp is being built on. It also requires knowledge of best practices for security and testing. By understanding the concept of DApps, their different types and use cases, and how to build and deploy them on the blockchain, you'll be able to develop decentralized applications that are secure, efficient, and easy to use. This will allow you to take advantage of the many benefits of blockchain technology, such as increased security and transparency, and reduced costs. Familiarizing oneself with the different decentralized storage solutions. Familiarizing oneself with the different decentralized storage solutions is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer, as they provide a way to store and retrieve data on the blockchain in a decentralized manner. Interplanetary File System, IPFS, is a peer-to-peer protocol that allows for the storage and retrieval of files in a decentralized manner. It allows for the creation of a distributed file system that is accessible by anyone on the network. Swarm is another decentralized storage solution that is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It allows for the creation of a distributed file system that is accessible by anyone on the network, and it can be used to store data for DApps. SIA is a decentralized cloud storage platform that allows users to rent out their spare storage space to others. It uses smart contracts to ensure that files are stored in a decentralized manner and are accessible by anyone on the network. By familiarizing oneself with the different decentralized storage solutions, you'll be able to choose the right solution for your specific project. This will allow you to build decentralized applications that are secure, efficient, and easy to use, and that can store and retrieve data in a decentralized manner. Understanding the concept of decentralized finance, DeFi. Understanding the concept of decentralized finance, DeFi, and its use cases is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer, as it is a rapidly growing area of Web3 development. DeFi refers to financial services and applications that are built on blockchain technology and are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by a single entity. These services include lending, borrowing, trading, and insurance, among others. One of the most popular DeFi use cases is lending and borrowing platforms, where users can lend and borrow assets without the need for intermediaries, such as banks. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs, are another popular DeFi use case, where users can trade assets in a decentralized manner, without the need for intermediaries. Another popular use case of DeFi is prediction markets, where users can make predictions about the future, and stake their assets on the outcome. Additionally, DeFi also includes decentralized insurance platforms, where users can take out insurance policies and make claims in a decentralized manner. By understanding the concept of DeFi and its different use cases, you'll be able to develop decentralized financial applications that are secure, efficient, and easy to use. This will allow you to take advantage of the many benefits of blockchain technology, such as increased security and transparency, and reduced costs, in the field of finance. Keeping up with the latest developments in the Web3 space. Keeping up with the latest developments in the Web3 space is an important step in becoming a Web3 developer, as the Web3 ecosystem is constantly evolving. New technologies, platforms, and use cases are emerging, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments and trends in the space. One way to stay informed is to follow the latest news and developments in the Web3 ecosystem, such as updates on new platforms and protocols, new use cases and applications, and new developments in the field of blockchain technology. Another way to stay informed is to engage with the Web3 community by joining online forums, attending meetups, and participating in hackathons and other events. This will provide an opportunity to learn from experienced developers, share your knowledge and experience, and be part of the Web3 ecosystem. Additionally, it's also important to stay informed about the latest developments in the field of security, as blockchain technology is constantly being updated and improved. Keeping up with the latest developments in security and encryption will allow you to develop decentralized applications that are secure, efficient, and easy to use. By keeping up with the latest developments in the Web3 space, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve and build decentralized applications that take advantage of the latest technologies and trends. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a Web3 developer is a challenging but rewarding journey that requires a solid understanding of blockchain technology and its underlying principles, as well as the ability to write and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. This article provided a comprehensive roadmap for becoming a Web3 developer, covering important topics such as understanding blockchain technology, familiarizing oneself with different blockchain platforms and their use cases, learning Solidity programming language, understanding smart contract development and deployment, getting familiar with Web3 libraries and frameworks, familiarizing oneself with the different tools and platforms for testing and debugging smart contracts, understanding the concept of decentralized applications and their use cases, familiarizing oneself with the different decentralized storage solutions, understanding the concept of decentralized finance and its use cases, and keeping up with the latest developments in the Web3 space. By following this roadmap and staying informed about the latest developments in the Web3 space, you will be able to build decentralized applications that are secure, efficient, and easy to use, and you will become a valuable member of the Web3 ecosystem. Thank you for listening to this HackerNoon story, read by Artificial Intelligence. Visit hackernoon.com to read, write, learn and publish.